kind of fields. One is a dark field microscopy that's red, one's a green field, and this is the light microscopic level. This is at magnification. Now under light microscopy, you can't really see the bacteria, so you're gonna see just a little tiny dot, black dot in that view. And in the mouth, you know, the bacteria have the ability to have fluorescence, and it's shown as green. So the bacteria, when they're floating around in the mouth, they can be, you can see them in action, and they'll show as green. When the cell wall is disturbed and dissolved, then the red stain that I'm going to show you in the middle comes into play. The red stain only is operable if DNA is accessible. So the red can't get in there to show unless the wall's gone and the DNA is exposed. Okay, so let's look at this. And it reminds me, by the way the bacteria line up, it's like the Little Dipper in the constellation. They kind of line up that way. So let's just take a look at this and see. I hope I can get this to work. This is about 30 seconds. Not the deep ones, these ones right here. See the green ones there? That's a live bacteria. Okay, so let's look at these things. So these bacteria were floating around, and all of a sudden they got fixed. Why did they stop? Bacteria are generally negatively charged, almost all bacteria. The Nobio particle, the coordinary amine, is positively charged. So bacteria are going along and they see the positive charge and they light down on it. And so these guys are moving around, and all of a sudden they get fixed onto the surface. And then look at how these line up. See that? Little cup, and then the three. So this is the first time we've ever demonstrated in sort of live theater this bactericidal effect. Let me just show you it one more time, okay? So this is 30 seconds long. These bacteria are just floating around, they get fixed, and then they get pierced and the wall dissolves. And let's take a look at that one more time. Okay, so that is our Alexander Fleming moment. Anybody have a question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What fixes them?
It's a charge. It's like a magnet. They go right to the particles. Yeah, they're falling. The magnet is a spear. They're just falling on a spear. They get pierced, so to speak. That's how that works. You saw how they were just kind of floating. All of a sudden, they kind of stopped. I mean, this is a. I mean, you guys should be.
Yeah, then in the red, all of a sudden that was black, and then once it turned,
Yeah,
you see
these,
them now.
the red doesn't act unless it gets
So you
DNA.
got DNA, so
Yeah.
you know the walls are gone now
Yeah.
at that point,
Yeah,
and they're dead.
yeah, yeah. All right, so I wanted to